Good morning, my rockeros! How are you today? How do you feel? I hope you are happy, like me. Great! Are you ready to work a little bit with me? Let's start. We're going to start with the morning routines. So, what day is it today? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Do it with me, huh? Yesterday was Sunday. So today it is Monday. Monday starts by And what number is it? Yesterday was 20. So today it is 21. But in English for the date we say 21st. So today is Monday, 21st of what month are we in? Great! September! Monday, 21st of September, and the year is 2020 or 2020. Great. Now, sorry, I forgot to say the season. Do you know that we have 4 seasons in a year? Autumn, spring, summer, and winter. Do you know what season are we in? Summer. We are still in summer. Do you know when summer ends? Tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll say bye-bye summer and we'll start the next season. I will tell you tomorrow. Great! Monday, 21st of September 2020, and we are in summer. And now, we're gonna do today in English. We're gonna do an all about you pennant. What does pennant mean in Spanish? Pennant, this is a pennant. Pennant means banderín. Okay? So you and me, with my help, we're gonna do a pennant. What do you need to do it? You need a pencil, you need your crayons, you need scissors, and that's all. Great! We're gonna start. First of all, you have to write your name here. I'm gonna write my name, Leticia, but you have to write your name. Like that. Leticia. You have to write your name. 2. You have to draw with your pencil. Draw your face here, as if I were taking a photo to you. And you have to draw yourself with a big, big, big smile. And don't forget to draw your ears, your eyes, your eyebrows, your nose, and your mouth. Come on, let's do it! Fantastic! Look at me. This is me. Great. 3. Here we have a balloon. And it's written, I am years old. How old are you? I am 32 years old. So I would write 3 and 2, 32. You have to write your age. If you are 6 or 7 years old, you have to write number 6 or number 7. Okay, let's do it. Look, I wrote 32, my age. 3. Here. What's your favorite color? My favorite colors are two, blue and yellow. So if you have only one, you only have to color the crayon with that color. I'm gonna color the crayon blue and yellow. So do it. Here you have my crayon color in blue and yellow. And if you want, you can write the color with letters. I brought my favorite color. I cross out is because I have two. So I need to write R and the colors blue and yellow. And is like I en español. ¿Cómo decimos I en inglés? ¿Cómo lo escribimos? A, N, D. That's why I brought an. So my favorite color are blue and yellow. Number 4. Look at this square with what animal is it? Yes, it's a tiger or a lion. Maybe it looks like more a lion. Okay, so you have to draw with your pencil. What's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is the lemur. What's that? Do you know what is a lemur? Let's see, I'm gonna draw it and you have to guess it. Here you have my favorite animal. Now, do you know what is it? Great! Lemur in Spanish is lemur. And you have to write it like that, like in Spanish, L-E-M-U-R, lemur. Great! Now, number 6. Here you have to draw your favorite food. And if you can or want, you can write the name of your favorite food. Let's do it! Look, here you have my favorite food. My favorite food is macaroni with tomato and cheese. Look. Great, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The last thing that you have to complete is the ice cream. What's your favorite ice cream flavor? My favorite ice cream is hazelnut flavor. What does hazelnut mean in Spanish? Avellana. My favorite ice cream is hazelnut flavor. Me encanta el helado de avellana. And you, what's your favorite ice cream? Color it. And if you want, write it. My ice cream, I brought inside hazelnut with pencil. And I've colored the cone, this is the cone, and I've colored the cone dark brown because I love the chocolate cone. And now you can color the things that are here. You can color the balloon, you can color the frame and the camera of your photo, you can color a smile, you can color the macaroni, the knife, the fork, spoon, okay? Color everything. Look, how beautiful is it? Remember that we're gonna use it to decorate our classroom, so you have to do it very, very, very beautiful, okay? Like me. I've colored everything. The frame, the balloon, the crayon, the lemur, the macaroni with cheese and tomato, and my ice cream. So now, we're going to use scissors to cut the pennant. Now you have your pennant all about you. Now it's ready. Okay, now we're gonna prepare the oral presentation for Wednesday. Okay, so how? You have to listen to me and do it like me. You have to read and introduce yourself to your partners. Don't look at the paper. Look in front of you. Okay, are you ready? Listen. Hello. My name is Leticia. This is me. I am 32 years old. My favorite colors are blue and yellow. My favorite animal is the lemur. It's a mammal, it's black and gray, it has got a long tail. My favorite food is macaroni with fried tomato and cheese. I love it. My favorite ice cream is hazelnut flavor. Mmm, yummy, yummy. So that's all. See you soon. A big kiss for you. Mwah.